doing a photo V-carve. It was just an image of a horse, or a couple of horses. Decided to see what would happen if I did it. There it is, the image of it, kind of showing in the background. Got a little aura mask on there. Gonna paint it out soon. Getting ready to paint it out. Give it a little paint, trying a few different colors to see what happens. Decided to V-carve into it just for a little detail, kind of frame it in. See how that turns out. Little better bits might help me out here. It's not turning out too bad. There it is, sanded out. Just about all ready to go. Sadie coming to see what I was doing. Hey, Sadie.